What's up, finance virtuosos? I'm back again with another video to help you secure that bag and join the remote work revolution in 2024. As we all know, working from home or anywhere you want has become the new normal. Companies are realizing that allowing remote work opens up a much bigger talent pool beyond just their local area. And employees are loving the flexibility and work-life balance it provides. But with so many people wanting these remote roles, the competition is fiercer than ever. That's why in today's video, I'm breaking down the top 15 entry-level remote jobs that are projected to be in high demand in 2024. We're talking jobs where you can easily make $70,000 to over $100,000 per year, all from the comfort of your home office or local coffee shop. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. For your daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Coming in at number 1, Data Annotation Specialist. You've probably heard that data is the new oil in today's world, and that's because raw data is so incredibly valuable for businesses and AI. As a data annotation specialist, your job would be to label and categorize data to make it usable and helpful for AI models. No college degree or prior experience required, and you can easily make $46,000 right off the bat, with even higher specialized roles in AI data labeling paying way more. It's the perfect entry into the booming data world. Next up at number 2, Delivery Manager. Basically a project manager for the tech world, you'll be overseeing the smooth transition of projects and initiatives from concept to reality, combining project management skills with some tech and IT abilities. No degree needed for this one, and you can pull in around $137,000 per year straight out of the gate. Not too shabby at all. Now for my personal favorite at number 3, YouTube Scriptwriter. Every successful YouTuber and video creator out there uses carefully crafted scripts to deliver well-researched, engaging videos week after week. But writing those scripts is incredibly time-consuming when you have to balance creating content with other tasks. That's where you come in as the scriptwriting pro. If you can save creators 15 hours per week on script writing and research, they will pay you handsomely. One freelance scriptwriter made over $5,000 per month writing for YouTubers. And with hundreds of thousands of creators out there, this is an opportunity that's just getting started. Coming in at number 4, Excel Sheet Specialist. Basically using your expert Excel skills to organize and work with data for all kinds of companies and industries. The pay may seem lowish at $62,000 per year, but I wouldn't sleep on this role. Being an Excel wizard is a crucial skill for so many careers and companies, giving you tons of potential to increase your income down the road. Up next at number 5, Provider Engagement Coordinator. This healthcare-related role has you coordinating tasks and processes for healthcare providers like doctors. No college degree required, but you can make $46,000 just to start, with lots of room to grow your income over time. If you're interested in healthcare but don't want to pursue intensive degrees, this could be a great option. Up next at number 6, Talent Development Coordinator. You'll be in charge of developing and nurturing the talent pipeline at your company. Handling things like internships, training programs, performance reviews, and using data to improve retention and engagement. Companies with great onboarding and talent development see way higher retention and productivity, so your role is important. And for this career, you can make around $56,000 to start. At number 7, High-Ticket Sales. This is all about selling high-priced, premium products and services where you can earn commission payments of 15% or more. We're talking things like real estate, technology and software contracts worth 6 or even 7 figures sometimes. The average pay for high-ticket sales is a staggering $122,000. Not an easy career path, as sales takes a certain personality and skill set. But if you're built for it, the income potential is through the roof. Up next at number 8 is Web Content Editor. These are the editors overseeing all the written content that ends up on websites and the web. So blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, you name it. At around $57,000 per year, it's a solid option to begin a career in digital content creation and marketing. Number 9 on the list is Digital Media Planner. Think of these as the navigators of the online advertising world. You'll be finding the perfect places for ads to live across all digital platforms and negotiating for prime spots. For this role, you can expect to make around $76,000 per year to start. Now we're getting into the cybersecurity realm at number 10 with cybersecurity analyst roles. Protecting companies' data and information has never been more crucial. And with major cyber attacks and breaches happening constantly, businesses are prioritizing cybersecurity big time. You can make close to $100,000 as a cybersecurity analyst right out of the gate. Number 11 on the list is e-commerce listing specialist. If you've got a knack for persuasive, compelling product copywriting, then this could be the gig for you. You'll be creating those click-worthy product listings that make people want to whip out their credit cards. Decent pay too at around $63,000 per year. Coming in at number 12, remote event planner. Even in our increasingly virtual world, events are still crucial for businesses, organizations, influencers, you name it. As a remote event planner, you'll be the one making sure those big virtual events go off without a hitch and don't experience any catastrophic tech meltdowns. For handling this vital role, you can make around $56,000. Next up at number 13 is Community Engagement Manager. We're living more and more in a membership and community-based world with products and services operating on recurring payment models. As a community engagement manager, you'll be ensuring those communities stay active and engaged. For this role, you can expect to make around $79,000 annually. The number 14 spot goes to advertising specialist. Get ready to become a paid ads master, specializing in platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. You'll need both analytical skills to optimize campaigns, and creative abilities too. The average pay clocks in around $68,000 per year. And finally, the number 15 entry-level remote job on the list is paid media specialist. Very similar to the advertising specialist role, but you'll be working with all sorts of paid media channels beyond just traditional ads. This could include things like sponsored content, influencer marketing, branded content partnership deals and more. The average pay for this jack-of-all-trades media role is around $54,000 per year. There you have it, friends. 15 of the best entry-level remote jobs that are expected to be red-hot opportunities in 2024 and beyond. Many of which pay incredibly well right from the start and have great long-term income growth potential. Of course, these are just a snapshot of the possibilities out there in the remote work world this year. So do your own additional research, identify your strengths and interests, and pursue roles that fit well. But I hope this list has opened your eyes to some unique opportunities you may not have considered before. As always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. What other remote career topics would you want me to cover in future vids? Let me know down in the comments. That's all I've got for today, but I'll be back again soon with another banger to help you level up your income and work-life game.